Hi, sometimes we need to change language in Inkscape. Fortunately, there is one really simple way to do it, so I'm going to show you this method in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so first you need to do is go to the left upper corner, and here you have edit option. You need to click on it and you will see here more special settings. You need to find here preferences. You need to select this option. Okay, so how you see a special white window has been successfully loaded here. Like you see, we have here really a lot of special and useful settings, but in this video we are interested in about language. So we go to interface, and like you see, we have here language settings of Inkscape. So we need to click on the special bar, and now you need to select the language that you want to choose. For example, I will choose here German. And now you need to close your window and restart an Inkscape. So you need to close an Inkscape and open it again. And like you see, our language in Inkscape has been successfully changed. And now we can use Inkscape in German language. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you, just click like button under this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. But it's all for today. Thank you and bye.